Welcome this video. Above ground pond waterfall. Create an upper ground ponds waterfall is a reward project that bring traditional various interior and the sound of flower water into your backyard. Whether you are enhance a patio, conate, or turn an empty outdoor space into a natural retreat pond, waterfall can transforming your landscape step by step guides to help you build your upper ground pond with waterfall functional. Choose an upper ground pond waterfall. An upper ground floor pond is idea for area with term limited gardening. When you want outstanding weather, functional without stand, add a waterfall enhance level help and create a smoke abrasion. Plant your Plan your pond and waterfall before you start. Consider location. Choose a pond with sunlight. Add away for long term to maximize space and size. Determinant the dimension that fit your space and aesthetic. 4 feet to 6 feet pond is great for smart backyards. Style when you want a natural rock look, a modern minimalist design, or a rustic gardening. Water power enhance aesthetic to a water secure for electric for the example. Tool and material. Basic tool. Level. Breadth and hose. Pound line or pro formed pond type, waterfall, skate line, and flexibility, waterfall hair. Step by step gas construction the pond basic. If you use a proformed pond lines, choose a sturdy platform for custom build frame. Propound with construction, both and weather. Make the pond promax. Level the ground and landscape with growing. Build the wall use black and wood stem and security theme with construction. Line the interior with a flexibility point line. Allow interior material over the guest. Smoke the line as you get weight its temporary with rock shaft. Install the pull table. Place and submit pull at the pond. Low point connect the table to the pool and rock if to the top for your waterfall location. High table rock for fit throttling valve to type research your pond box and various. Use a check various or backfull. The pool is off. Build the waterfall functional.